In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a desktop background in Canva and design custom folder icons. We're going to build a clean, organized desktop wallpaper in Canva that makes it effortless to keep your files where they belong. With labeled sections you can drag your folders into. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to look for desktop wallpaper or desktop organizer. This brings up pre-made, editable templates that already match common screen sizes, which saves you time. Choose a template that fits your style, or start with a blank canvas if you want full control. If you know your screen resolution, pick a size that matches it so everything stays crisp when you set it as your wallpaper. Next, head to the Elements tab. Select simple shapes like squares or circles to create boxes or sections on your canvas. These will be the parking spots for your folders on the desktop. Arrange the shapes where you want your files to live. Keep a bit of space between sections so icons don't look cramped. Use Canva's alignment tools to center and evenly distribute your shapes for a clean, professional layout. Now label your sections. Click the text tool and add labels such as active projects, archive, apps, or personal. Choose a font that's clear at small sizes, and make sure T here is enough contrast between the text and the background so it's readable at a glance. You can color, code the text or the boxes for even faster visual sorting. Customize the background to match your preferences. You can add your own images, switch up colors to fit your brand or mood, or drop in a simple calendar to keep key dates visible. If you are using photos or patterns, lower the transparency a touch so icons and labels remain the focus. Keep it tidy, too much detail can make icons hard to see. When you are happy with the layout, click Share. Then Download. Choose PNG for the sharpest text and graphics, or JPG if you prefer a slightly smaller file size. Download the image to your computer. Finally, set the image as your desktop wallpaper using your system's wallpaper settings. Select Fill or Fit so the layout lines up correctly on your screen. If anything feels slightly off, just hop back into Canva. Nudge the sections, re-download, and replace the wallpaper. Save your design in Canva so you can refresh labels, colors, or the calendar anytime. Once it's set, your folders, whether using default or custom icons you create later, will sit neatly in their labeled sections. And your desktop will instantly feel calmer and more intentional. Thanks for watching.